Kita po ba natin yung naka-share screen ko?
Yes.
Alright. So, yun. Good evening po sa lahat. So, yung campaign natin, yung MVP contest, tsaka Path to Prosperity campaign will end today. Pero meron naman pong bagong campaign na in-announce si Enagic Japan. So, dalawa rin po. So, dito muna tayo sa first campaign, which is Start Dash to 3A campaign. So, ito po ang eligible is yung mga uh, existing or new 1A to 2A, at kung gusto nilang mag-rank up ng 3A using this campaign, mas mabilis po siya. Ayan. So yung campaign po na to will start tomorrow, October 1. And then ang eligible is new distributor at existing distributor under 3A. Ayan, mag-a-accept lang tayo, may mga nagjo-join pa po. So this campaign is more than just a promotion. It is a chance to ignite momentum across your entire team. Whether welcoming new members or motivating those who have been with Enagic for a while, this is a perfect opportunity to accelerate rank advancement and create leaders who will carry our vision forward. So ayan yung ating purpose of this campaign. So what will be the reward? Once na-accomplish natin yung 2 steps. So ito yung 2 steps lang, no? For new registered distributor, ang required lang is mag 3 direct sales within an eligible product. So ano po ba yung mga eligible product natin? Ito yung mga Levelock machine, Anespa DX, and Ukon Sigma. So ibig sabihin, hindi po counted or allowed or qualified kapag MGuard account, Kangen Air account at Ukon DD. And then kung existing distributor na po at meron na siyang existing na 1A legs, magti-3 direct sales lang din siya. And then yung pang third direct sale niya, magiging 3A na po siya doon. So distributors registered during the campaign must make 2 direct sales within a week of registration. So for new registered distributor, meron kayong up to day 7 from your registration date para i-submit or ipasok yung 2 direct sales ninyo. So 7 days lang po from your registration. And then, pag nasubmit nyo na siya, yung pang third direct sale nyo, which is for 3A, magkakaroon kayo ng another week. So up to 14 days siya. Total of 2 weeks. Pero yung first week, dapat masubmit nyo yung 2 direct sales ninyo. And then yung pang second week, yung pang 3A po ninyo. So for both new and existing, there's an extra week to complete the third direct sale. Ayan. So yung direct sales po ninyo should be machines lang or Ukon Sigma, Anespa, or Super 501. Hindi po allowed si MGuard, Kangen Air. Even yung mag-join for existing distributor, kung ang account nyo with Enagic is MGuard, Kangen Air, or Ukon DD, hindi po kayo eligible for this 3A, passed up to 3A. Unless po mag-purchase kayo ng new product nyo na K8 or any machine, tapos yun yung ipapass track to 3A po ninyo. So, meron tayong example dito. Doon sa example po natin, si A1, which is K8, nag-register siya ng October 1. So, doon sa rule natin is up to day 7, dapat mapasok nyo yung dalawang 1A leg nyo. So, which is ito, si A2, na Ukon Sigma, pinasok niya ng October 3. And then, si B1, new distributor din, nagpasok siya ng K8 ng October 7. So, ito, qualified siya. And then, magkakaroon siya ng another 7 days para i-complete yung pang 3A niya. So magti 3A na siya dito kahit na 3 direct sales pa lang yung meron siya. Meron lang mga important notes. Ayan, may isa pa palang example. So ito naman for existing distributor, magde-direct sale ka lang from October any month, any day. Basta yung day 1 mo will start doon sa first direct sale mo. And then, meron ka ulit another 7 days or within 7 days para i-complete yung isa mo pang direct sale. Kaya October 3 niya pinasok yung first sale niya. So hanggang October 9, pwede niya ipasok yung isang 1A leg niya. And then another 7 days para i-complete niya yung pang 3A niya. Okay, so meron tayong isang case study rito or na hindi siya nag-qualify. Si new distributor is Ukon DD. Tapos nag-3 direct sale siya within the period. Kaso, Ukon DD yung account niya kaya hindi siya qualified. So dapat yung mag-join sa campaign is machine distributor or machine account. So another example ng hindi qualified, doon sa 3 direct sale niya merong MGuard. Kahit pa within the period, as long as may MGuard or Kangen Air or Ukon DD, hindi din siya qualified. And then, ito naman yung next example po natin. Nag-exceed na siya dun sa 7 days bago niya napasok yung second direct niya. So, hindi rin siya qualified. Ayun. So, very simple lang naman po. Kailangan lang mag-3 direct sale. As long as machine account owner ka and puro machines din yung ipapasok mong 3 direct sales. And then on the first 7 days of your registration, dapat mapasok mo yung 2 direct sale mo. And then another 7 days for your direct sale na pang 3A. Tapos, pag e-payment po, pwede naman siya, acceptable kahit puro e-payment yung tatlong direct sale nyo. And then, kung self-purchase itong tatlo, pwede rin po. Si Tokoray account, pwede rin siyang mag-join. As long as hindi naman siya, anyway, ang Tokoray naman natin is machine account naman. So, pwede silang mag-join. So yun. May questions po ba or clear naman po yung ating new rule, new campaign? Clear naman po ba? Wala pong questions? Please feel free to ask po.
Hi,
Miss
ma'am.
Richelle,
Sige po.
Nasa
Kindly
chat
raise
po,
your
nasa
hand
chat.
lang po.
Nasa chat
Okay.
po yung question.
Sa existing distributor, dapat 0A pa siya, di ba? Hindi naman po, sir. As long as 2A ka, basta magti-3 direct sale ka, magka-qualify ka naman, basta sinunod mo yung mechanics. Next question po. Pwede po mag-raise ng hand. So, si Mr. Clarence Ang, may question po.
Hi, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Ma'am, for example, na-achieve mo na yung 3A rank because of
Apo.
the campaign. To get to 4A, ano po yun? Plus 10 or you have to complete the 20 group sale?
Okay. Sige, sir. I-note ko yung question mo kasi hindi
Diba?
din siya na-advise. Ang na-advise lang kasi kapag running for 6A ka, you still need to complete yung requirement ng group sales.
Sige po. Thank you.
Sige po. I-note ko yan, sir, and then i-update ko po ulit kayo. 3A to become 4A, no? Sige po. Mas maganda kung marami kayong questions, no, para at least isang tanong din tayo sa HQ para po ano pa yung mga nakikita niyong possible scenarios or questions for this campaign.
Pwede mo ipadala ang recording nito?
Yes po. Pwede ko rin pong ipadala sa inyo tong PowerPoint para po so this is the best chance na rin, no, to rank up fast, especially yung mga new distributor natin kasi at the same time on your third direct sale 3A ka na, so yung commission maximize na po up to 3 points without waiting dun sa pang 11th na direct sale. Meron pa pong gustong magtanong? Questions po
So,
bago po tayo mag-proceed?
okay. Pwede pong magtanong, For example, you have only 7 days deadline to
Apo.
purchase. So, kung hindi ka let's say for example, yung sunod-sunod na yun na 7 days, hindi ka nakahabol. So, what will happen? It will be carried over ba yun? Or may allowance ba siya? Or something? Or disqualified ka? Or
Oh,
what?
ma'am, hindi na siya qualified. Kasi ang rule lang po is for new distributor, dapat makomplete mo yung pang 3 direct sale mo on the second week. Given na yung first
Oo.
week, dapat kompleto na yung 2 direct sale mo. Pag nalagpasan mo na yung period, hindi ka na po
Oo.
qualified to to join.
So, ang chance mo na mag-qualify do sa tina-target nating goal, that was na, tanggal na yon. Hindi ka na, wala ka ng
Opo.
chance.
Yes po.
Okay. So, but then, what will happen to us or to me, na user lang, for example, user na lang ba? We cannot do anything na magpatuloy para, kasi hindi mo
Pwede
naman
naman,
decide.
ma'am. Yun nga lang, hindi na kayo eligible for this campaign if you miss out
This is a promo,
yung
right?
period.
Parang
Opo,
promo
this
to.
is campaign lang naman po, starting October 1, although wala pa pong end date. Pero hanggat andyan siya, pwede po natin
Okay.
i-grab yung
Okay,
opportunity.
kasi as you know, hindi naman din mabura lang yung item natin, no? It's been like medyo ang ano diyan is the amount. But then alam ko na napakahusay niyan because I have had one machine before. But anyway,
Yes.
yun lang pong gusto ko malaman. So this is just for the promo and we can have the normal, the normal
Yes, ma'am.
flow.
Opo.
Okay, thank you very, very much. Thank you.
Alright, ma'am. Thank you po.
Rachel,
Rachel,
no.
Sige po.
Dali.
Sige po mauuna. Pa-raise na lang ako ng hand.
Saan ba?
Sige po. Si Ma'am Lani po ba to?
Oo.
Sige, ma'am. Go ahead po.
Tanong ko, dito siya registered pero may sales siya sa abroad. Pwede ba yun?
Opo,
Let's say
global
tatlo.
naman to, ma'am. So,
global. So, pwede
Opo.
ko rin i-discuss yung mga iba kong grupo abroad.
Opo. Basta ang importante lang is dapat yung direct sales is machine sales tapos within that period po.
Okay. Yun lang. Thank
Alright
you.
po. Thank you, ma'am. Questions pa po? Pero clear naman po sa inyo yung mechanics ng campaign, no? To achieve 3A para sa mga newbies natin and existing 1A to 2A.
Rachel, paano pag
Yes, ma'am.
2A na yung tao? 2A na siya ngayon. Tapos nakapagpasok siya ng 3 within the week. 3A
Yun.
na siya.
Opo. So, kung existing account or existing distributor na siya and then 2A na din siya, pwede niya nang ipasok yung first 2 direct sale niya under ng 2A leg. Hindi naman necessary 1A kung existing na. And then on the third direct sale, magti 3A na po siya.
Okay. Tapos within the week.
Opo, basta kung kailan yung first direct sale mo, yun yung magiging day 1 mo for existing distributor. And then up to day 7, pang 7th days, kailangan maipasok mo yung second direct sale mo para maka-qualify ka sa pag 3A mo. And then meron kang another 7 days to complete yung pang 3A mo. Kaya in 2 weeks time,
paano kung 1 week lang nagawa na niya yon? Sabay-sabay.
Ayun, qualified po yan, ma'am. Kumbaga yung period naman is yun na yung maximum period. Pero kung magawa mo siya in 1 day, it's also okay. Magti 3A ka pa rin.
Thank you.
Okay po. May questions pa po?
Rachel, follow up dun sa dun sa tanong ni Rachel.
Sige po.
Sabi ni Rachel, under 2A niya yon. So, ang pasok doon, ang niya, 2A, tapos 3A yung pangatlo. Ganun ba yon?
Yes, ma'am. Correct po.
So hindi siya 1A, 2, tapos 3A.
Opo.
Ay, okay. Thank you.
Alright. May questions pa po? I think madali lang naman siya, no, yung campaign natin. I mean, madali lang yung mechanics, no. You just have to have 3 direct sale up to 2 weeks lang. Tapos make sure lang na puro machines yung ano natin, yung account na magjo-join and yung account na ide-direct sale po natin. So self-purchase is also qualified or counted. Ang hindi po counted is Tokoray, Ukon, Mguard, Ukon DD, Mguard, tsaka Kangen Air. Pero pag Sigma, counted naman po siya for the direct sale. And then, yung mga E8PA members din, if they want to join, yung mga newbies natin, qualified din or accepted din po yung mga E8PA members price na machine like Anespa and Super 501. Okay. Tapos i-add ko na rin po, no, I'm not sure kung na-disseminate na rin or na-receive nyo na sa email. Yung E8PA members price natin na Anespa and Super 501, pwede na natin siyang i-register as distributor. So kahit under E8PA member siya na account and self-purchase, pwede na siyang maging distributor account. Pero we need to take note pa rin na up to 6 accounts lang yung pwede nating i-register as distributor, and then the rest will be as user lang po. Okay? So may questions pa po ba? Meron po ba ritong 1A to 5A? Pwedeng pa-raise ng hand. 1A to 5A ang rank. Pa-raise po ako ng hand. Meron po ba?
Rachel, yung sinabi mo na Anespa at Super 501 sa E8PA price, pwede rin dyan sa promo natin?
Yes po. Pwede siya.
Okay.
Lahat po kayo dito 6A above, 6A pataas. Meron po bang 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A, 5A?
4A po.
Okay. So, pag wala na pong questions, yung 1A to 5A na rank na distributor natin, pwede na pong mag-leave sa Zoom. Kasi yung next campaign po natin is for 6A and above po.
Okay, thanks.
Okay po. Thank you po.
So, maipa-position na tao.
Ayan. So, proceed na po tayo dun sa ating next campaign. Stop share ko lang po para i-share ko yung next. Ayan po, kita niyo po yung screen. Kita po ba? Ayan, so ito namang next campaign natin. Ang title is Weekly Momentum Rising Contest. So pushing yourself, Pushing yourself beyond limits every week. So ito po yung pinalit dun sa MVP contest natin na weekly, daily, tsaka monthly. So starting na to kahapon, September 29. So weekly na lang siya. And then yung weekly will count from Mondays to Sunday. Kaya nag-start siya kahapon and then until Sunday. Yun yung pang 7th day niya. So contest to motivate growth every week. So meron siyang 3 factors para ma-evaluate yung inyong group sale. So technically ano lang din to po, padamihan din ng benta every week. Meron lang 3 factors paano maa-assess yung inyong sales. Pero this is for 6A and above, pero divided into 2 divisions siya. Yung first division is for 6A to 6A2-2, and then top 40 yung winners, And then ang top one will get $1,500. And then yung next division naman, 6A, 2-3 up to 2-7. Top 40 din yung winners. And then ang top 1 will get $3,000 po. So, ito yung ratio, average sales ratio, growth ratio, machine ratio. Ito yung mga factors paano i-calculate yung top 40. So, for the average sales ratio, di ba this week siya ang contest, nag-start na siya ng Monday to Sunday. So, September 29 to October 5. Kailangan nyo lang malagpasan or ma-surpass or malagpasan yung number of sales nyo from the previous week. So, last week. And then, yung first average sales ratio, nakadepende to sa number of sales ng buong rank ninyo. So, for example, 6A ka. Lahat ng 6A globally, total yung sales volume nila for that week. And then, i-divide siya kung ilang 6A kayo. Tapos, yung sagot doon, yun yung magiging basis ng kailangan yung lagpasan for this week. So, for example, meron tayong example dito. So, for example, merong 6A2-4 na 4 globally. Example lang po. And then, each 6A2-4, ayan yung mga group sales nila. Ito may 44, 32, 55, 37. So, i-add yung total group sales po ninyo. And then, ang total is 168. Total rank sales po ng global. Tapos, i-divide to sa kung ilan kayo. So, 4 kayo. Kaya, ang kailangan yung lagpasan na sale is 42 for that week. Tapos, group sales po yun. So, kasama yung beyond naman na group sales ninyo. So, ito yung magiging parang basis ninyo from previous week. Kung 42 kayo this week, last week, dapat yung sales nyo is more than that para mag-qualify kayo. So, yun yung first na factor for assessment. Yung next naman is growth ratio. Ito naman very easy lang. Yung group sales mo for that week, kailangan mo lang din lagpasan or higitan pa for this week. Okay? And then yung third assessment is machine ratio. So for this contest, ang machines or level look machines lang po dapat. Like Anespa, SDK, basta except for MGuard, Ukon DD, at saka Ukon Sigma and Kangen Air. Although, syempre, continuous naman yan and group sales, pwede pa rin naman po kayo magbenta ng mga ganong products. Pero dun sa assessment, ito lang yung maa-assess, yung mga level look machines po natin. So, ayan yung example niya ng computation sa average sales ratio. So, ito, yung 40, yung sa group ratio, 'di ba? 42 yung sales mo last week. And then ngayon naka 48 ka. So yung ratio i-compute nila, i-divide lang nila yung group sales mo this week from your previous group sale. Kaya yung ratio average nyo is 1.15. So by ratio yung computation nila. Who will get the highest ratio, yun yung magta-top 1. From 6A to 6A22. So ito naman yung sa growth rate. So, meron kang 8. Ito. Sa first week mo, meron kang 2 sales. And then sa second week mo, meron kang 4 sales. So, every week, tumataas siya. Basta weekly, pwede kang mag-join as long as nalalagpasan mo yung previous week mo na number of sales. So, ito yung computation niya. Yung previous week mo, meron kang 8 group sales. And then this week, meron kang 15. So, nahigitan mo yung 8 sales mo last week ng 15 ngayon. So, i-divide lang din yung group sales mo ngayon sa last week mo na sale para makuha yung ratio. So, dito sa growth rate mo, 1.87. And then sa machine ratio naman, di ba, you have 15 sales this week. Pero yung 15 sales na yon, hindi lahat machine. 10 lang dun yung machine or Anespa. Kaya, i-divide lang din yung machine na yon or kung ilan yung machine sa total group sales mo. So, sa machine ratio, 0.67 yung iyong computation or ratio. And then, i-multiply lang yun. So, average sales ratio times growth ratio times machine ratio. And then, yun na yung calculation ng ratio mo para malaman kung pasok ka ba sa top 40. So, the contest will consist of the following different divisions. So, ayan, unit-based contest for 6A23 to -7. So, separate yung contest ng 6A to 6A22 and 6A23 to 6A27. And then weekly, every week, top 40 leaders yung ma-award. So, dito naman po wait lang, ayan. So, yung sa information natin for bonus, if your group sale does not meet previous week's average, then the bonus will be paid according to average sales ratio. So, for example lang, hindi mo na-reach or hindi mo nahigitan yung group sales mo last week. Kung pasok ka pa rin naman sa top 40, magkakaroon ka pa rin naman po ng incentives. Pero we also have to take note na yung SP status natin is also affected. So pag SPND1 ka or 6 months kang walang direct, qualified ka pa for 100%. Pero pag nag more than 6 months na, 50% na lang. And then kapag 1 year ka nang inactive, 0 na yon kahit pa continuous nagpa-participate yung downlines mo kasi group sales po yan. So self-purchase, user accounts, e-payment, sales will count toward the tallying. So kahit e-payment, user accounts, or self-purchase is counted except for Tokoray tsaka mga canceled and unpaid sales. So this is for this lang po for this campaign. Yung e-payment is counted. And then yung sa announcement po ng winner, since 1 week siya, so Monday to Sunday, yun yung period ng contest. And then mag-start sila mag-tabulate ng Monday to Friday. Maximum na po yun the following week. So by Friday po nila mapopost sa DSP. And yung sa average sales ratio nyo, makikita nyo rin po yan sa DSP ninyo kung ilan yung kailangan nyo i-surpass for the first assessment. Okay, so ito po yung contest reward. So first place is $3,000 up to 40th place, which is $1,000. And then for 6A to 6A22 naman po, $1,500 for top 1. And then sa top 40 is $500 po. So, yan po. That is the end of the presentation. Clear po ba yung explanation ko? Or may question po? Basta ang pinaka-simple lang is paramihan to ng sales weekly and this is global, pero you can always check your DSP din to monitor your group sales po. So, may questions po?
Hello, Mare.
Yes po, Sir Boy.
At tanong ko lang, hindi ba yung sabi mo kasi kanina yung walang sale for long time, considered ba yung enroller? Let's say may enroller naman.
Basta active po yung SP nyo, sir. Kahit through direct sale or enroller, qualified naman kayo, sir. Ang importante
okay.
lang is yung SP activation nyo is active kayo,
Basta
regardless
nag-SP
kung
dun
paano.
Basta nag-SP dun sa program, nakikita kong SP, ayos na.
Opo. Tapos again this is for 6A and above. And then in case merong mga multiple accounts, like for example, yung 6A, dalawa yung account niyang 6A na parehong na winner. Isa lang po doon ang kukunin. Isa lang po ang magiging winner doon. Hindi po pareho kung multiple accounts.
Okay.
Apo. So, yun po. More sales lang kasi ang laki din ng $1,500. So, this is also the best opportunity para mag 6A2 kayo or mag-rank up kayo sa mga 6A. May questions pa po?
Hey, ma'am.
Yes po.
Ma'am, yung nabanggit mo like for example yung sa 6A2-2 or -4 yung example na yung total na sales then i-divide sa lahat ng -4.
Opo.
Saan po malalaman yun, ma'am?
Sa DSP nyo, sir, maa-upload naman siya.
Makikita po doon.
Opo. Kaya kailangan nyo laging nag-check ng DSP talaga. Kasi doon ina-upload lahat. Yung sa number of sales ninyo, group sales, yung mga winners din sa contest, nasa DSP nyo rin po yun.
Sige
If
po.
hindi nyo po alam kung paano siya i-access, pwede po kayong mag-request sa amin ng training, kung by group or individual, okay lang po. I-accommodate naman po namin kayo.
Sige po. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Rachel,
Yes po.
sa 8 points lang yan. Yung
Group sales to,
Group
ma'am, so 6A and above. Kaya kahit yung beyond 8 points, counted po.
Okay.
Questions pa po? Pwede ko rin pong i-submit sa inyo tong through email or request lang po kayo para i-send ko po tong PowerPoint sa inyo para in case hindi pa medyo na-absorb. And kung gusto nyo rin pong mag-request pa ng another training, especially for your group lang or team lang, let us know po para mas schedule po natin. Yung campaign natin wala pa siyang end date. So, habang meron pa po, grab nyo lang din. Clear naman po ba yung mechanics? Questions po, feel free to ask. Questions po, wala na? Kung wala na po tayong questions, mag-end na po tayo. Pero before tayong mag-end, can I request to open your camera para naman meron tayong picture? Ayan, mag-open din ako ng camera. Ay, kaso nag-hang. So, stop ko na po yung sharing ko, ha? Ayan, mag-photo op naman tayo kahit na medyo haggard tayo month-end ngayon. So, hanggang siguro mga 9 o'clock po kami today. Sa mga gusto pa pong humabol kasi last day na po ng ating Path to Prosperity campaign. So, ayan, last day na today. Wala nang extension. Okay, sandali lang po ha. Tayo. Photo op. Ayan. So, ready na po ba ang lahat? Sana makapag-camera open yung iba. Okay? Show your best. Smile. 1, 2, 3. Ayan, isa pa. Next page. Okay, one more. 1, 2, 3. Ayan. Thank you very much po. I hope clear naman yung ating instructions. Kapag may questions po kayo, feel free to message us or call us. So, salamat po. Good night and God bless everyone.
Merci po. Thank you.
We're expecting a lot of sales for October, ha?
Ciao.
Thank you.
Sure, Mare.
Yes. Grind tayo, grind. Ang ganda ng ating promotions. Okay, we'll end na po the Zoom meeting. Thank you. Good night.